Greeting. Peace be with you. In this video, I am going to show you how to develop program for Arduino UNO using Visual Studio Code on PlatformIO with DumbDisplay Arduino Library. For an introduction to DumbDisplay, you may want to watch my previous video, introducing DumbDisplay, the little helper for Arduino experiments. First, I will show you how to install VSCode, that is Visual Studio Code. With your browser, go to official VSCode download page. Click the download icon to download VSCode installation executable. Run the executable to start installation. Close the installation dialog after installation. See that VSCode starts successfully. Next, I will show you how to install PlatformIO, an extension of VSCode. To start VSCode, one way is to type VSCode in the Windows search box. Select the item Visual Studio Code to start VSCode. Click the extensions icon to install PlatformIO extension. Type PlatformIO in the search box. Select the item PlatformIO IDE. Install it. After installation, you will need to restart VSCode for the installation to take effect. Before proceeding with program development on PlatformIO with DumbDisplay, I will show you how to install DDWifiBridge, an optional tool that accompanies DumbDisplay. Since DDWifiBridge requires Python to run, I will first show you how to install Python on Windows platform. Your Windows platform might come with pre-associated aliases to start Microsoft Store. If Python is not installed via Microsoft Store, you may want to break the associations first. Type app execution aliases in the Windows search box. Select Manage App Execution Aliases. Make sure App Installer for Python disabled. To actually install Python, go to official Python download page. Download Python installation executable. Run the executable to start installation. In the Install dialog, make sure Add Python to Path is selected. Then start installation. Close the dialog after installation. Now, check to see if Python is installed. In the Windows search box, type Python. See that an entry is shown. To install DDWifiBridge, like the usual way of installing Python package, pip command line tool is used. Run the Windows command prompt by typing cmd in Windows search box. In the command prompt, type the command, as shown, to install DDWifiBridge as a Python module. After installation, type Python mddwifiBridge to test run DDWifiBridge. Likely, you will need to install an additional Python module, PySerial. Click Yes to have it installed. After installation of PySerial, click OK. Run DDWifiBridge again. You can simply press up arrow key to go back to previous command typed. This time, DDWifiBridge should run normally. You can create a shortcut on your desktop for easy running of DDWifiBridge. Right-click your desktop and select Shortcut menu item. A Create Shortcut dialog box will pop up. Type Python mddwifiBridge in the input box. Click Next. Type a name for the shortcut. Press Finish. See that a shortcut is created on your desktop. Click on it to test run DDWifiBridge. Now, run VSCode again. Since you already installed PlatformIO extensions, you should see the PlatformIO icon. Click on it. Click on the item, Projects and Configuration. In the Projects page, click Create New Project. Enter some information about your new project. Set name to Step Motor. Set board to Arduino UNO. Set framework to Arduino. Then click Finish. After project creation, select the file platformio.ini of your project. Add the library dependency for DumbDisplay Arduino Library, as shown. Try building the empty project by clicking the tick icon at the bottom. This empty project should build successfully. See that DumbDisplay Arduino Library is installed for the project. Now, add a task to run DDWifiBridge from VSCode. Go to Command Palette. Type Configure Task, and select the item, Tasks, Configure Task. Then type Create and select the item, Create tasks.json file from template. Then choose Others. Now, tasks.json is created. Modify tasks.json as shown. Now, go to Command Palette again. Type Run Task and select Tasks, Run Task. You should see the entry, DDWifiBridge, select it. See that DDWifiBridge runs normally. In case you will need to upgrade DumbDisplay Arduino Library, click on the PlatformIO icon. Select Libraries. In the page shown, click Installed. This will show the installed libraries. Click Updates to check if any installed library needs updating. If so, click Update to have PlatformIO update the library. To run the step motor sample that comes with DumbDisplay Arduino Library, first, clean up the CPP file main.cpp, leaving the include line. Open picostepmotor.ini, which is installed with the DumbDisplay Arduino Library installation. Copy its content over to main.cpp, below the include line. Then comment out the lines that defines Bluetooth, to indicate that you do not have Bluetooth module attached to your Arduino UNO. In such a case, DDWifiBridge is needed for connecting to Arduino DumbDisplay app. Also comment out the lines that define the step motor pins, to indicates that you don't have physical step motor connected. That is it. Assuming you have your Arduino UNO connected to your computer via USB. Click the right arrow icon at the bottom to start building the program and upload it to your Arduino UNO. See that the building and uploading is successful. Now, run DDWifiBridge. Go to Command Palette. Select Run Tasks. Select DDWifiBridge. See that DDWifiBridge runs normally. Jot down the IP address of your computer. Click on the Connect button to have DDWifiBridge to connect to your Arduino UNO via the USB connection. See that Arduino UNO is sending handshaking messages. Assuming that you have DumbDisplay Android app installed, run DumbDisplay app on your Android phone. Click the Establish Connection icon. Click the Add Wi-Fi icon. Enter the IP of your computer, that is the IP that you jotted down previously, and click OK. Click on the newly create entry to start connection. See that your Arduino UNO connected to your DumbDisplay app via DDWifiBridge. That is it. You may want to watch my previous video, the This Step Motor Experiment, Arduino Experiment using Raspberry Pi Pico on 28BYJ48 Step Motor with ULN2003 and DumbDisplay.